This is the disassembly and cleaning guidelines for a patient with an infectious lung disease. After the case, you're going to want to dispose of everything that the patient interfaces with that can be disposed: the breathing circuit, sample line, the bag arm hose to unlatch that on CS600. Do that, this guy. Pull this off, down at the bottom. They do make disposable ones, suggest using those. Do save the bag arm connector, which is this acrylic piece. Dispose of the bag. And now we're going to disassemble the bellows and the bellows dome. Turn this 1/4 turn counterclockwise, like an eighth. Remove the bellows by squeezing the sides. There's 2 latches on the sides. Comes up like so. The diaphragm. If the patient is aspirating, there's any liquid in there, you can remove the bellows like that, but you don't need to with this. Pinch here to remove the latch assembly. There's a ring that comes right up. And then you just reach down and pull up this entire unit. All right? Now to remove the breathing system, lower the Sodasorb latch. Remove the Sodasorb. This should be replaced as of now until other standards are in place. Pull down the breathing system latch. There's a button inside that's with the number 3 on it, your finger. Push that in firmly. Drop it down. Slide this whole assembly to the left about 10 inches. It comes free. This is your breathing system now. Okay, this guy can, in its entirety, can be autoclaved at the 130 degrees Celsius. I believe it's 134 degrees Celsius. I believe it's for 2 hours. Let that pull off, then you're good to go. Once this guy has been autoclaved, we'll reassemble in reverse order. Line up this hole. Put this metal shaft here. Push all the way to the right so where it can't go any further. Lift up. Then close the breathing system latch. System should be tight. New Sodasorb canister. Put in place. Raise the latch. We're going to reassemble the bellows assembly. Take this seat. This blue ring corresponds to the hole here. Push down. There's some pegs here to line up. Make sure that it's tight. This ring here has some arrows. Make sure that these point up. Set this on the outside. Your bellows latch. There's a hole here, or a peg here that corresponds to the hole. Make sure that these pinch pieces are facing up. Just like that. This bellows will fit easily on there. Just pull around. You don't need to disassemble that. That's only if the patient aspirates and you need to clean any potential fluid out. Once that's on there, you can test it by occluding this hole with your palm, pushing down and making sure that it holds volume. Otherwise, push the diaphragm down like so. Bellows. You should hear a series of clicks to show that's in place. And then we'll basically latch the dome by lining it up like so and turn it about 1/8 of a turn clockwise. Now we're going to put the new bag arm hose on. There's a peg on the bottom. Below the, there's a graphic. Let's see this graphic here. That shows where the bag arm hose is attached to. Push that on the firmly. Route it around the back of the system, like so. There's some connectors here. Flip this guy open. Right here. Put your new acrylic bag arm connector in here, or your not new one. That has to be autoclaved also. Make sure it's seated firmly, not too firmly, because you want to be able to remove it. New patient bag, and your circuit as you normally would. As with any time you disassemble the machine, you want to make sure, I'm going to reroute this real quick. Anytime you disassemble the machine, you want to make sure that you perform a user checkout, because a leak could have been introduced while disassembling the machine. Hope that helps. That's it.